Welcome back to the channel. Today my friends and I are heading to a motorcycle cafe for some coffee and hopefully a lot of motorcycles. Also, I've heard they will be doing bike washes, so I'm definitely taking advantage of that because I've been caught in the rain twice in the last 2 weeks, I want to say. So I'm really excited that we finally have a motorcycle cafe here in Illinois. It's called Grind and Gears, and it seems like motorcycle cafes have been popping up all over the US lately. So let's go. It should take us about 35 minutes, I think. One place that's definitely on my list is the bike shed in London. I've heard great things about it, so whenever I make it to London, that's going to be a must stop for me. But for now, let's check out Grind and Gears and see what the motorcycle scene here in Illinois is all about. Getting a much needed bike wash after about 3 weeks of it being filthy. So that's a wrap. Thank you for coming along. There wasn't a huge turnout, but it was still fun. So, you know, we had a good coffee, good company, and a good time. So, yeah. Oh, and a clean bike. Can't forget that. So, yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. And I'll see you on the next one.